Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create an email using ChatGPT in a few seconds. Yes, if you are living in Africa, Asia, Europe, and America, there is no matter. You want to sell this email in Fiverr, Upwork, and other freelance platform? Yes, this is possible. So keep watch this video. Don't skip any moment. Let's go. First, go to fiverr.com, then type email writing. Here are the lots of millions seller here. They are sell email writing. So this is not actually a write email sell, but if you want to make money, yes, this is possible. And this person got 124 review. This person got 338 review. This person got 180 review. Has lots of seller here. They'll write email writing. So this video I'm going to show you how to exactly create those type of email for any business. This is no matter. At first go to ChatGPT, then type example of this one. I need an cold email about sale and online course about how to grow your YouTube channel quickly. Then type, this is a subject line actually, learn how to skyrocket your YouTube channel with our online course. It is fantastic. And cold email, if you want to use this email, yes, this is possible. This is no plagiarism and no copyright issue. What you need to make money online from a right email? You don't need any experience. You don't need any high professional computer PC or mobile phone. If you use your simple mobile phone, this is no matter. At first go to ChatGPT, then type. If you have a plumber business, cleaning business, and other business, sell online course, ebook sale, and Amazon product, and etc. e-commerce business, this is no matter because this chat GPT is 100% free for write email, sell service in fiverr.com. This link I will attach in description below. Please check it. Thank you.